Huddly Studio is all about adding production value to your meetings. So Huddly Studio is a product and a concept that we've been working on for years now. We're using learnings from TV production and movie production industry to create engaging experiences in the meeting room. We're doing that using artificial intelligence and networked cameras. We're using the same networked cameras that are already available for purchase today. So for decades now, video conferencing has been around. And one thing that hasn't changed much is the vantage point into the meeting room. There's been one camera either above or below the monitor or the TV screen. And what we're seeing is that by combining cameras, by combining vantage points onto the meeting room, you get more engaging experiences, you get more interesting views, and you're also able to cater for very different scenarios. And what's new here is that we're using a new technology, artificial intelligence, to automate this experience, which hasn't been available to this industry before. We got professional TV producers to work with us to teach us about the techniques and the rhythm that TV producers use to create engaging experiences for entertainment purposes. And then we applied that for the meeting room. So these are shots like reaction shots, listening shots, speaker shots, overview shots. So this is really groundbreaking. It's really changing the industry by providing these new experiences to the room. It allows people in the room to talk freely without thinking about whether they're facing the camera or not. And it allows the far-end participant to be a natural part of the conversation. We're so excited to demonstrate the power of this technology that we thought we'd put it to the ultimate test by using Huddly Studio to make the first ever short film directed by AI.